Hello everyone, we have another arithmetic sequence problem, and that is find the common difference given a sub 1 is 6 and a sub 34 is equals to 138. Let's try to solve this in this new learn video. Hello everyone and welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to solve a problem wherein the given is the first term and the last term, and we are going to look for the common difference. So, let's still use the formula for nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Just in case you are not familiar with the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, you can watch these videos. Just look at the link in the description. Okay, now let's solve this. So first thing is, let's recall the formula. That is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Since we are looking for the common difference, which is the variable d, then our final answer will be in this format. D is equals to blank. So we should come up with D from this formula. Now let's go to given. Again, if you are familiar already with this kind of problem and no need for you to write the given, then it's okay. But if you are still starting, you can write the given for you to be guided on the values that you're going to substitute in this formula. Okay, now let's start. So since the given is a sub 1, then we have a sub 1 is equals to 6, and our last term is a sub 34, that is 138. Then our n, since this is a sub 34, the last term, and n stands for the position of last term, then this will become 34. 34, 34. Now we are looking for d. Now let's substitute it to our formula. So a sub n, which is a sub 34, is equals to 138 is equals to a sub 1 is 6 plus the quantity of n is 34 minus 1 times d. Next is following PEMDAS, parenthesis first. So 138 is equals to 6 plus 34 minus 1, that is 33 times d. So next, we have multiplication. So 138, just copy the numbers which are not affected. So 33 times d, that is 33d. Okay? Now let's combine like terms, which means all the numbers without letters or variable will be grouped together, and all the numbers having variables or letters beside or attached with them should go together. So in this case, we have two numbers having no variable, and that is 138 and 6. And since 6 is on the other side of the equal sign, then we do the addition property, and the shortcut is called transposition. So we have to move 6 to the other side of the equation. So let's move 6 to this side so that 138 and 6 would go together because they are like terms, no variable. Okay, so in moving or in transposing, whenever a number will pass through or will cross the equal sign, its sign will be changed to opposite. So since 6 is positive, as it moves to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes negative because the opposite of positive is negative. But if the number here is negative, then it crosses the equal sign, then it becomes positive. But if here is also positive and it crosses to the other side, then it becomes negative, and then vice versa. Now let's go to transposing 6 to the other side. So we can write positive 138. Then from positive, this becomes negative, so minus 6 is equals to, what remains is the positive or plus 33d, or simply 33d. Okay? Next is, I'm gonna erase this. There's no more space. So we are going to do this operation. 138 minus 6. So that is 132. 33D. And then we need to have D only. Divided by 33. Divided by 33. Okay, so let's count. Whatever is the number beside D, that will also be the number that you're going to divide. And what you do here, you should also do it here. So since you divide it by 33, you also will divide this by 33. So the answer will be, 33 divided 33, that's 1. So 132 divided by 33, that is equals to 4. Is equals to D, or simply you can rewrite it, D is equals to 4. So our common difference is 4. So that's how you solve for common difference given the first and the last term. Do you have any questions? You can comment down below. And I hope you learned something in this video. And so have a nice day. Wow.